Do you ever feel like you're following all the prescribed advice and formulas? You've checked all the typical boxes, but you're still not making the progress towards growing your network and establishing and sustaining strategic partnerships? Well, the truth is you've been lied to. Your relationship building plan of action carved out by others will not lead you to where you want to be. You require a fresh perspective, a unique approach to create strategic partnerships and build powerful alliances to help you reach your personal and professional goals. In this robust and refreshing workshop, seasoned business strategist, media personality, and accomplished author, me, Alex Tremble, will guide you towards the truth about creating strategic relationships with my 4C relationship building model. This model will equip you with the skills needed to develop authentic, sustainable, and mutually beneficial relationships with colleagues, competitors, customers, and leaders at any level within the organization. My predictive and proven strategies will deliver you 4 key outcomes. First, you will learn how to overcome your fear of networking. Second, uncover the resources you already possess to add value to any relationship. Third, identify where and how to focus your relationship building efforts. And fourth, choose specific behaviors to implement on day one that will lead you to enjoying a more influential network. So, if you feel like you or your organization can benefit from having more influential relationships, wait no longer. Visit alextremble.com today to book me to speak at your next workshop, conference, or other office event. As always, stay strong, stay positive, and definitely stay moving.